Ever wonder why your grandpa's old truck ran forever, but your new car feels tired at 100,000 miles? It's not bad luck, it's by design. Modern cars are faster, safer, and more efficient, but there's a catch. The very tech that makes them great also makes them fail sooner. Automakers have engineered a trade-off: performance and features now, longevity later. Today we'll reveal the 7 reasons your new car is a ticking time bomb, from fragile electronics to planned obsolescence. We'll expose the truth behind why repairs are so expensive and why your car's lifespan is shorter than ever. This isn't a conspiracy, it's engineering and business. Let's pull back the curtain. Your car is now a rolling supercomputer packed with dozens of computers and over 100 sensors. Each sensor, crankshaft, wheel speed, oxygen, and more, is a potential failure point. When one cheap sensor fails, it can cripple your entire car, leaving you stranded. A $30 crankshaft sensor can stop your engine cold at highway speeds. Worse, one bad sensor can trigger a cascade of failures: ABS, traction control, even transmission shifting. Diagnosing these issues isn't simple. Mechanics now need to be digital detectives, tracing phantom faults through miles of wiring. The complexity means higher repair bills and more time in the shop. Gone are the days of simple fixes. Now, a single error code could mean hours of labor. Modern cars are vulnerable to death by 1,000 electronic cuts. The more tech, the more things that can and will go wrong. It's not just inconvenience, it's built-in obsolescence. The result? Cars that are harder and more expensive to keep on the road. That's the hidden cost of modern convenience, and it's just the beginning. Let's talk about planned obsolescence, the business model automakers don't want you to see. Cars aren't built to last forever, they're built to get you back in the showroom every few years. How? By using materials that wear out, like plastic instead of metal under the hood. Plastic intake manifolds, valve covers, and oil filter housings crack and warp from heat, causing leaks and catastrophic failures. Timing chains now run on plastic guides that become brittle and break, leading to engine failure. These parts are designed with a limited lifespan, often just past the warranty. When a $10 plastic guide fails, it can destroy your engine, costing thousands to replace. This isn't bad luck, it's a calculated trade-off for cost savings and weight reduction. The result? Common, expensive repairs that didn't exist decades ago. Planned obsolescence is real, and it's hiding in every corner of your modern car. The industry depends on you coming back for a new car, not keeping the old one running. That's the harsh truth behind today's automotive progress. The more advanced the car, the shorter its engineered lifespan. It's not about building the best car, it's about building the next sale, and you're paying the price. Turbos used to be for sports cars, now they're everywhere, from hatchbacks to minivans. Why? To squeeze more power and efficiency from smaller engines, meeting regulations and customer demands. But turbochargers spin at 200,000 RPM in extreme heat, putting massive stress on engine parts. Miss an oil change, and you risk destroying the turbo and your engine. Turbo seals, wastegates, and bearings are all new failure points, with repairs costing thousands. These engines are high-strung, always operating near their limits. Old, under-stressed engines lasted forever. Modern turbos trade durability for performance. The result? Engines that feel great new but wear out fast. It's a spec sheet win but a long-term loss for your wallet. Turbocharging is another shortcut with a hidden cost. Transmissions used to be simple and overbuilt. Now, they're fragile and complex. Automakers added more gears and electronics for efficiency, but also more things to break. Enter the CVT, infinite gear ratios, great fuel economy, but inherently fragile. CVTs rely on metal belts and pulleys under extreme stress. If the fluid degrades, the whole unit can fail. Most CVTs are sealed and unrepairable. When they go, you're buying a whole new transmission. Even traditional automatics are now so complex that repairs often mean full replacements. The push for efficiency has made transmissions disposable. What used to be a rebuildable part is now a financial catastrophe. The result? More cars scrapped for transmission failures than ever before. Another win for automakers, another loss for owners. Emission systems have turned your exhaust into a maze of fragile, failure-prone parts. EGR valves, catalytic converters, and sensors are all designed to reduce pollution, but they clog, stick, and fail. A stuck EGR valve or clogged catalytic converter can cripple your engine and cost thousands to fix. Diesel owners face even more complexity: DPFs and DEF systems that clog and fail if not perfectly maintained. All these systems are interconnected. One failure can trigger a chain reaction of expensive problems. The check engine light is now a constant threat, often for emissions issues, not real engine problems. These systems aren't about durability, they're about compliance. The result? More repairs, more expense, and less reliability. Cleaner air, but at the cost of your car's longevity. Emissions tech is another reason modern cars don't last. Working on your own car used to be a rite of passage. Now it's nearly impossible. Modern cars hide everything under plastic covers and require special tools just to access basic parts. Even simple jobs like changing spark plugs or headlights can require hours of labor and bumper removal. Electronics are locked down. Replace a battery or sensor and you might need dealer software to register it. Without expensive scan tools and subscriptions, DIY repairs are out of reach. Automakers have created a monopoly on service, forcing you back to the dealership for even minor fixes. The right to repair is fading, replaced by a system that keeps you paying. The days of saving money with your own tools are nearly gone. Modern cars are designed to be serviced by professionals only. You're not just buying a car, you're buying into a lifetime of dealer visits. Think new cars are more reliable. That's the biggest myth in the industry. Initial quality is high, few problems in the first 90 days, perfect panel gaps, no rattles, but long-term durability is a different story. Old cars were simple and overbuilt, designed to last decades. Modern cars are engineered for peak performance and efficiency within a short, specific lifespan. They're reliable under warranty, but not built to endure. The business model depends on you replacing, not repairing. Complexity and emissions tech make long-term reliability nearly impossible. New cars are refined and efficient, but disposable by design. The truth? They're built to be replaced, not to last. So, what can you do? Knowledge is your best defense. Learn your car's weak points, maintain it better than the average owner, use high-quality fluids, follow strict maintenance, and stay ahead of planned failures. Don't be a victim, empower yourself with real-world repair skills. Subscribe to Car Fix School for the knowledge dealers won't share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.